This warthog, who managed to take his gear play to such a high level. Though he's swaying left and right as he walks, he's actually practicing backing up into a parking spot, always training to enter a cave faster. He's not even afraid when he encounters a pack of lions. He makes the lionesses watch him in amazement, showing off his graceful moves. His reverse speed is incredibly fast. The warthog loves to show off for no reason and gets most excited when there are lionesses watching. If he pulls off a successful show-off, he's happy for 3 days. If he doesn't, the lionesses are happy for 3 days. He always claims he's not good at anything, but the warthog dares to show off in front of the lionesses because he has the absolute power to back it up. His newly upgraded 12-volt turbocharged engine can accelerate from 0 to 100 meters in just 5 seconds. If a lioness dares to take a swipe at him, he'll immediately kickstart his escape. Looking across the plains, the warthog's performance is undeniably spectacular, but in the next act of showing off, he almost flips his vehicle. The priest who was foraging nearby was left completely stunned and couldn't believe his own eyes. There was the warthog, out and about in broad daylight, showing off again. Even though there was nothing around him, he was still so dedicated, constantly thinking about his gear. Upon seeing the warthog, the lioness immediately crouched down, wondering what the warthog is up to. Why isn't he home resting at this time of day? What's he up to now? Seeing that the warthog was only practicing backing up into a parking spot, she felt much more at ease. The priest began walking forward step by step, occasionally stopping to observe, worried that the warthog might